So today I'm gonna show you how I make my banana bread with these nice speckled banana. Yep, some people don't eat it like that, but you know, I do, and I also use it to make banana bread, okay? So let me go ahead and get started. So I already put in the sugar in here, which is, so it's 3/4 cup of sugar, which I've already put in here. And I'm gonna put an egg. Put the egg in there. And now I'm gonna put the bananas. You can use 3 or 4, 3 or 4 bananas, depends on the size. I got 4, so I'm just gonna put all 4 of them in there. Let's break them up. Put all of them in there, and then just let it go and blend it all up together, or mix it all up together in this case since we're baking. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the oil, which is 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Put that in there. And then let it go. Let that go for a few minutes. While that's going, I'm gonna turn on the oven. I'm gonna set the oven to 350 degrees to let that preheat. And I'm also gonna grease my baking pan. And I'm using a 9-inch baking pan. And you can grease it with oil or butter, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is, whatever your preference is. I like greasing it with oil. Now that it's greased, I'm gonna put it aside. Now that the bananas and everything is mixed in together, I'm gonna add the dry ingredients. And the dry ingredients include 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and just a little bit of salt, you know, just a sprinkle, a little bit of salt to taste, you know, so you don't have to use salt if you don't want to. So now I'm going to put that in there. And this is my dry ingredients. Just, you know, so you see. Now I'm going to add it in there a little at a time. Turn this down. Side. Like mess. Clean that up. Make sure all this is blending together. And now I'm going to add some raisins. You can add raisins, walnut, or whatever it is that you prefer. I like raisins, so now I'm going to add my raisins. I like a lot of raisins. But not too much. I'm going to stop it. And I'm going to put the mixture in the baking pan. Oh, and the oven is ready. So I put that in there. Try not to make a mess. There we go. All right. So that's done. I'm gonna put it in the oven. And I will show you the ending project. The ending product, I should say. Not project. Because it's not a project, it's something I love to do. Anyway, this is just to, you know, get everything together. And now I'm gonna put it in the oven. All right. I hope y'all enjoy it when y'all try to do it on your own. Okay? See, it's quick and easy.